So we've added in our first product for Blue Dog, but now we need to get it out here so the people can see it. We've got a logo up here, but we've got no menu over here for it. So let's go over to the WordPress menus. And to get there, of course, I've just come to Appearance and Menus. And the first thing I want to do is I want to add in a page for Blue Dog. You notice I have a Widmer Brothers page here. We've added in these pages. So what I want to do is that's the first thing I want to do is I want to add in that page. So I'm going to come over here to Pages, and I'm going to click Add New. And now we're just going to name the page Blue Dog. All right, now that we've got that done, we're just going to go ahead and publish that. Give it a moment. We're going to come back over here, and I'm going to need to refresh this real quick just so that I can go ahead and get this to actually show up over here on the Pages menu over here. So now that it shows up, I'm just going to go ahead and exit out of that because I don't need to access that page right now. See, we've got Blue Dog over here. I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to add it to the menu, and we're going to want to make this we're going to want to leave this on this primary level. We're not going to put it on a secondary level or anything. We're going to want to leave this here on the primary level. So give me just a second. I'm going to pause this while this is working. I'll be right back with you. So here we are. We've got Blue Dog added in right here. Now I'm going to take Blue Dog and I'm going to put Blue Dog right after Kona, the primary level. So I just need to move that up 3 and put it right between Kona Wailua Wheat and Club 9 is what I want. Excellent. Okay, now I'm going to click Save Menu. And I'm going to come out here, and we want to, once we save the menu here, we want to come out front and we want to actually take a look and see what the menu looks like out front. Sometimes when you add a menu item, if there's not enough space, it may get things, all of a sudden everything may get scrunched over, may not look quite right. That means that we may have to come in here and either adjust the font size down, or we may need to move things over a little bit, or we may need to, in some way, shape, or form, consolidate the menu. Could be any number of things. So while this is saving, once again, I'm going to pause this. Okay, so here we are. We've added Blue Dog in, and now you see our menu doesn't quite look like we want it to. So there are a couple of things we could do, actually. I could go into the CSS and change that and move this area over a little bit, but we're going to be getting awful close right next to here, and this needs some space for the responsive layout. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to remove the us off of Contact Us, and then take company information and make it company info, and see if that will kind of give us the space that we need. And the way I do that is I just come in here and I just change the navigation label is all I'm going to do. I can change the navigation label and it continues to point directly to the same page. Doesn't affect that whatsoever, but I can free up a little space in my menu if I do that. So while that's saving, I'm going to pause again. Okay, so now you see, just by removing the us off of Contact Us, which still lets people know to click there to contact, and then removing information off of company info, we've actually freed up space here on our menu, and now it's back once again all in one line. So one thing to remember, this is going to be much less relevant when we're translating to Chinese, because Chinese is a much more condensed language. There's going to be much more room in the menu than we have here. So okay, we've added Blue Dog there, but now we need to add our product in underneath that. So I'm going to come down over here to Products. I'm going to click on Blue Dog Green Collar, click Add that to Menu. Then I'm going to take and I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to make it a sub-menu item of Blue Dog. And then I'm going to save the menu. Okay, we've just got done refreshing our page, and now all of a sudden we see an active menu item because we've added this product underneath it, and now we have a product entry for our Blue Dog Green Collar. So that is how you add a product into the menu bar. In the next video, we're going to go over adding in the seasonal or special request only products.